si Daddy. He was scared of the car outside.
I can get your oil later, bud.
Oh, my favorite snacks. Kale. Spinach. Blueberries. You got more blueberries.
He's such a cute dog. He's ready to go.
Wow, you're such a good boy. Look at that. Good boy. I always wear a head cap pag nandito ako sa loob ng bahay kasi kinakagat ni Matli ang aking buhok. Kinakain niya ang aking buhok. So, Sunday means laundry day. What are you doing there? You wanna go inside the washer? Alright, what's in here? No, stop, Matli, stop. You're always in mommy's way.
This appears to be a double way. I wonder what their story is. Are the ladies best friends? You cross the road, we're gonna cross it, and the trail continues. Says this to Bird Cove.
Mommy, a kiss. Oh, thank you. Thank you. That's
Lots of these over there. But it doesn't look nice, doesn't it? Look, these birds are here.
afternoon. 2 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm still washing clothes. Naka 3 loads ako ng aking mga labahin. And I wanna eat because I did not eat lunch yet. So, let's eat fried chicken kasi bumili si Paul na fried chicken. Hello, fried chicken. Drumsticks. Always good. It's perfect kasi lumabas ni Matlin. Pinaglaro siya ni Paul sa labas. Pag nandito siya, manghihingi kasi siya. Super crunchy niya. Water?
No, let's drink some water. Come
Yeah, ask Daddy for water.
on. Oh boy.
Cheers. So good. Ganyan lang. Oh, look at that, guys. Wow, not bad, not bad. Okay. It's looking good. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Matley, this is not for you. Right. Ang tagal ko na hindi nakagamit nito. Masarap sa pakiramdam, kaya lang tamad ako. Pero yung guasha talaga, ginamit ko siya bago matulog. Sa nighttime routine ko, it's so good for my congested nose. Hello guys. So, gagawa tayo ng kilawin na carrots. Ito lang siya, guys. Konti lang. This is good for myself. Kasi kasi ako lang naman kakain. Tapos, lalagyan natin siya ng suka. But first, garlic. Yes! Wow! Sobrang daming garlic. Garlic is not good for you, Matli. So, I cannot give this to you. 2 tablespoons. Ano ba yan? Parang ini-estimate ko lang talaga, guys. Tapos, 2 tablespoon din ng suka. Sesame oil. I'm just gonna put 1 tablespoon kasi matapang to eh. Squeeze of lemon. Demanding na rin siya. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Ingat po. Love you.